Entertainment Television, Buckingham Daddy. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, Abiala. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy go day. Buckingham Daddy, Abiala. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy go day. African legacy, you know they pick and play. African culture, you hold am very tight. African money, you know they free at all. For in gym, for in vein, na African blood. Buckingham Daddy, Abiala. Buckingham Daddy today.
That's it to 199. Thank you. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Next customer. Hello, good afternoon to you.
You have covers here?
Yes, we have covers here. It's over here.
Do you have double net?
Open it. Yes.
You have double net. Alright. You have Irish cream?
Yes, we have.
Alright. Just let me look around and I'll come back for that.
All right. Okay, you passed already. It's over here. You already passed.
Cat food and coffee. Okay, where's that popcorn I normally buy? Right here.
Mama, get where Mama? Where's Mommy?
These at home.
Where's coffee? Stay there. Yes.
Okay. Come through. It's fine. Sorry, darling. It's alright. Get in each other. Who's on the next one?
Nice up?
Let me help you. Which one do you want? This one? This one? Fruit pie. It's ready done. Hey, but the fruit pie.
This one?
Yeah. Thank you. What, the mayo? Oh, I need tissue. How much is this tissue? Andrex. The big one. This one.
There are different prices. 250 on the other one is 250. Small one is
I will come
129.
back for the conversation, alright?
All right.
Thank you.
There you go.
So,
Thank you.
698, hun.
There you go.
Lovely.
Thank you.
You take it back.
Yes, please.
It's okay.
How's business today? Going well?
Not too bad, not too bad.
Okay.
You thank God, your manager.
Okay. Oh, that's good. Thank you very much. And you too. It's all right. Yeah. Have a great day. Hope you guys are not going to be too tired before you leave. Bye-bye now. Can I have a bag too?
Sure, honey. All right. Thank you.
No, it's not going to open it.
Careful. Sam has forgot his phone. Who's next? Who's next in line? No one. Sorry. Hello.
Oh, I'll pay for that. Just give me a copy.
You just left your phone.
No, it's not my phone. Thank you.
You sure?
Yeah, it's not my phone. Thank you.
Oh, wow, that's good. Take care. Sorry. Thank you.
Said it's not his phone, so no problem. Forgot his phone. I was calling him to come and pick his phone. He said it's not his phone, so we'll have to keep it.
All right.
Yeah. That's all we can do.
Mommy!
So, well, I'll just keep it here in case if it comes back.
Yeah.
If you squeeze this, then the thing will come out.
Yeah, we don't want that.
Oh dear. All right.
That must be my phone, really. Why should I steal just £1.17 bread and forgot my phone? I have to drop this at home quickly and go and collect my phone.
You see? Watch closely. A man on CCTV. Can you see him?
Yes.
He has stolen 2 of our bread.
Boss,
Can you see?
I told you many times, this is how people come and steal, yeah? They come and talk and they just steal. Look at it.
It's terrible.
They are taking breads. Yeah,
Don't worry. When next he comes, we are going to challenge him.
right.
When
You can
next
see
he
him, he's
comes, we're
hiding
going
it.
to-
Yeah, see? He's hiding it.
Hello, sir.
Afternoon, Jim.
Please, I think I forgot my phone here the last time.
Your phone. You remember I called you that you left your phone. You say it's not your phone.
I didn't check my pocket properly. It's a Samsung, latest Samsung phone, sir.
The thing there is that our bread
Yeah.
is missing. 2 of our bread is missing. And I was calling you to show you your phone. It's not your phone. So please, if you can get the bread back, then you will get your phone.
Bread,
Yes, you have your bread.
as in loaf of bread.
Yes, 2.
I don't really like bread like that. I mean, and I came just for my phone, sir.
That's
We don't like phone as well. If we can have our bread, then you have your phone.
I don't. I can't remember me taking the bread, but let me go and check home.
Then you better do.
Yeah.
that's the fact. That's the what he said is a fact. My
There you go.
friend.
Who wants
You
this?
bring the bread,
Right.
then we will give you the phone back. All right?
Alright, I
Thank you.
didn't take it, but let me go and check home. I didn't take your bread. I don't like bread like that, but let me go and check my house. Yeah. Come here, sir.
You bring the bread, we will give you the phone. All right? Thank you.
That phone is very expensive. Let me check.
Okay. Go for it.
I don't know if this is one of your breads.
See? Where did this come from? You said you don't like bread, yeah?
I really don't like bread. Is this one of yours?
Yes, it's all.
So how did this bread get to your house?
Seriously, I'm still wondering myself too. This is one of yours too.
Yeah. So the bread suddenly develop wings and fly and get into your house.
I didn't. I'm wondering too how the bread began. So I just got on there, opened my door. Then I went to the kitchen and
Darling,
I saw the 2 breads.
what do you want?
I saw the 2
finished
breads.
now?
I think they are finished.
Can I have my phone now, please?
So pathetic. that somebody like you, someone like you, a grown-up man, what will your children learn from you? That you come to shops and shoplift? Do you know how much it cost me to run this shop? If everybody coming to pick one or two things, how will I make my game? All the things in this shop is only bread, and you come to steal. You will have your phone, but it's a shame. That's your phone.
You see, come. This is what we are saying.
Okay.
Somebody like you, like this, I wonder what your children will become. So you come into this kind of shop, you come and steal. Do I know you? This one that they are talking, what again do you want me to do? Do you want to know me for? That is why the adage say, anybody that has a bad thought in his own mind, it will not remember when he will do bad to himself.
American Spirit,
I didn't know how the bread got to my house.
and a packet of filters. Have you got the blue?
Thief. I beg my friend, how much is this one, Gary?
That one is £2.70.
Is this finished now?
Thank you, my brother.
You're welcome.
Come to a whole of this shop to come and steal. If everybody is stealing here like that, how much are they going to be gaining? Want to run down the business? Useless people. An old man like that doing shoplifting. You can imagine.
It's a shame. It's a shame.
It's a shame, big shame. That is what life is. So the children that come out from this one house, how will they be? They will start stealing as well.
Yeah.
Nonsense.
Like father, like children.
Like father, like children. Come to the whole business to come and steal.
Still ordinary bread.
Start saying nasty things out of his mouth. It's a meeting rubbish. Talk that he's talking. Thank you, my friend.
You're welcome, sir. Take care. Bye.
Thank you very much, my people. You see, we love you. Thank you for watching our channel, CINECROMA Entertainment TV. Oh, this is your loved one, Buckingham Daddy. You see, as you are watching, don't just watch alone. Please like and subscribe and press the notification bell. So as well, help us to share. That is all you can do for us. As you are doing so, God will bless you. See, we love you too much. Ladies and gentlemen, keep watching CINECROMA Entertainment TV, Buckingham Daddy. Like all our videos. Make a comment. Subscribe even to the TV channel and share with your people. We appreciate you. Thank you.
Yes, hi ladies and gentlemen, once again we just want to say thank you for watching Buckingham Daddy. But you know what you need to do? You need to like, you need to love, you need to share, and you need to subscribe to CINECROMA Entertainment TV. Don't just watch, make sure that you subscribe. And as you love us, we love you too.
Hey, CINECROMA Entertainment Television, Buckingham Daddy. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo, yo, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, Abiala. Buckingham Daddy, today. Buckingham Daddy, today. Buckingham Daddy, good day. Buckingham Daddy, Abiala. Buckingham Daddy, today. Buckingham Daddy, today. Buckingham Daddy, good day. African legacy, you know they take and play. African culture, you hold them very tight. African money, you know they free at all. For in gym, for in vain, African blood. Buckingham Daddy, Abiala. Buckingham Daddy.